Good day there, students. Today we will be learning about pronouns. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. There are many kinds of pronoun, but we will focus only two kinds of pronoun this time. Let's talk about subject and object pronouns. What is subject pronoun? Subject pronoun is used as a subject in the sentence. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And these are the examples of subject pronoun in the sentences. What is an object pronoun? An object pronoun is used as an object in the predicate. For example, me, you, him, her, them, it, and us. So these are the examples of object pronoun in the sentences. How do you call the noun that the pronoun represents? Yes, it is called antecedent. For example, in that sentence, to which noun does the word he refer? Yes, it refers to Mr. Tickles. Mr. Tickles is the antecedent in that sentence. I hope you learned from the lesson today. See you next meeting. Goodbye and God bless you all.